Bakit marami mga Pilipino ang nababaw sa utang? Lalong-lalo na sa pamamagitan ng maling paggamit sa credit card. So to avoid this one and to eliminate debt and how to use credit card in our own advantage, watch this video for you. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Bern and kung bago ka sa channel ko, I encourage you to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka kapag may mga ina-upload akong mga video tungkol sa financial literacy. So pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang tungkol sa paggamit ng credit card at bakit maraming Pilipino ang nababaon sa utang. Kapag utang ang pinag-uusapan, I always remember the verse from the Bible in Proverbs chapter 22 verse 7. Ano ba sabi doon? The rich rule over the poor and the borrower is the slave of the lender. So imagine this one, and up to now, this 2,000 years ago and up to now, it is applicable to all. Lalo na kapag may utang ka. And kapag may utang ka, you become more stressful, more depressed. Kaya anong nangyari? You become slave of this debt. So, pero kailangan natin pag-usapan to, and here are the 5 tips para maiwasan ng pagkabaon sa utang sa pamamagitan ng credit card. So, number 1, use only one credit card. So, I know a lot of Filipinos, they're using 3, 4, and I'm telling you this guys, when I'm still in Dubai, I know a lot of Filipinos there, OFW, meron silang 4, 5, hanggang 7. I think that's the pinakamarami sa nakilala ko. 7 credit card, and the worst is, max out lahat yun. Sagad ang credit card na yun. Imagine how they going to pay this kung nakasagad ang credit card mo. At hindi lang isa, 7. So you need to have only one credit card para lang naman sa mga necessities na gamit. Tip number 2, pay on or before due date. Tatandaan mo na kailangan bayaran mo ang credit card mo on due date. Alam mo, kapag hindi mo siya binayaran ng due date mo, let's say na-delay ka na isang araw, automatic na yan. May interest ka na. At magkano ang interest kapag hindi ka na pagbayad? 3.5 approximately per month. Plus, yung utang mo, maki-carry over. So, imagine 3.5 per month times mo sa 12. Meron kang around 42% interest pa lang yun ng credit card mo. Ang tanong, may investment ka bang kumikita ng 42% per annum? Baka yung buong sahod mo, pamabayad mo lang doon. So guys, iwasan mong mag-default at ma-delay sa pagbabayad ng credit card. Tip number 3, pay off in full. Kailangan bayaran mo ang credit card mo ng buo. Maraming mga Pilipino ang natatrap kasi, alam mo ba, ang mga bangko, they always send you a message na your minimum payment for your credit card is ganito lang. So, di ba? Minimum lang pinababayaran sa'yo. Bakit? Kasi kapag hindi mo binayaran ng buo, yung naiwan, magki-carry over yun sa balance mo. Hanggang lumobo siya ng lumobo. And hanggang hindi mo na nabayaran. At isa pa, alam mo ba na kapag ang credit card, hindi ka nire-remind ng bangko. Pero kapag loan, nire-remind ka. Bakit? Because in the credit card, compoundly, lumalaki, at mas malaki ang kinikita ng bangko para sa iyo. Number 4, before you use the card, make sure you have enough money to pay. Meron ka ng pambayad bago mo gamitin ang credit card. The sad thing is, more Filipinos use the other way around. Ginagamit ng credit card, hindi pa nila alam kung saan nila kukunin ang pambayad. Guys, credit card is not an emergency fund. Use only credit card kapag kailangan at hindi siya emergency fund. That's why you need to have the emergency fund. Kasi kapag credit card ang ginamit mong emergency fund, ibig sabihin nun, out of budget ka na. Ginamit mo yung credit card, hindi ka napag-budget, paano mo siya babayaran? So, hindi mo siya mababayaran at lulobo na lulobo ang interest. So it will be difficult for you to pay out or to pay all your debt. So guys, be careful in using this credit card. But of course, the last one is tip number 5, take advantage of the reward. Ito naman yung good things nang marunong ka gumamit ng credit card. Instead na against sa'yo yung mga interest, you take advantage of this one. For example, sa amin, we use credit card sa pagbubook ng online, sa mga ticket online, and for the grocery. Because especially ngayon na may pandemic, we don't use cash. Most of our transaction is online and we use card. Because alam mo na, dahil virus ang uso ngayon, better not to touch any cash. So, card ang ginagamit na. But every time we use credit card, automatic yun binabayaran namin during the due date in full. So, kapag ginagamit mo ang credit card, meron yung mga points, may mga rewards. So, we personally experienced that one na we go grocery, we go for shopping, paying natin. Bakit? Because the points that we accumulate in the credit card, yun yung ginamit namin pambayad. So, instead na kami ang makuhaan ng bangko, yung credit card nakukuhaan namin for some free things. But again, I don't recommend use credit card in a regular basis if you don't have the discipline to pay. And that's the key word in using credit card. You must be disciplined enough to pay because the credit card is a temptation card. Napansin mo ba yon? Ang credit card is a very huge temptation. Bakit? Experiment mo, try mo. Magbayad ka ng 10,000 pesos using cash. As in cash, bayaran mo. Di ba kapag binibitawan mo yung 10,000, parang ang hirap ilabas. Samantalang gumamit ka ng 10,000 na credit worth, gamitin mo yung credit card, ang bilis lang. Bakit? Swipe lang. And napakadali. Walang emotional attachment. Kailan papasok ang emotional attachment? Pagdating ng billing statement. At yun ang mahirap. Kapag dating ng billing statement, most of people become more stressed. And magiging stressful tayo. So, guys, use your credit card in your own advantage. Dapat ikaw ang nakikinabang sa credit card. Hindi yung credit card ang nagko-control sa'yo. So, you must control your expenses, you must control your credit card, not the other way around na ikaw yung nako-control ng credit card. And again, isa-isahin natin ang mga advantage. Una, use only credit card, one credit card. Pangalawa, pay on or before your due date. Pangatlo, pay it in full or pay off your bill in full. And then number 4, before you use the credit card, make sure you have allotted money for that payment. So, meron ka ng pambayad bago pa. And number 5, you must take advantage of the reward. So, use the points for your advantage. Guys, hindi masama ang credit card if you know how to use it and you know how to discipline yourself. You must discipline yourself. And again, as the Bible said in the Proverbs 22 verse 7, the rich rule over the poor and the borrower is slave of the lender. So guys, if you learned something here, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and like and share. At kapag may natutunan ka sa mga yon ang gusto mo pang i-elaborate natin, comment below kung may gusto kang pag-usapan about finances. And once again, this is Bern nagsasabing, bawat Pilipino may kakayahang umasenso. God bless.